Good morning, students. I am your English teacher Irshad. Today, I have to teach you a story. The title of the story is The Little Girl. This is the chapter which I have to teach you today. This story has been written by a writer named Catherine Mansfield. And through this very story, the writer has showed the relation between parents and their children. Means what is the relation, what is the affection between parents and their children. That variety of relationship has been shown here. Here, according to this very story, there is a little girl whose name is Kezia. And Kezia is a very active girl. She is a naughty girl, and generally it is the phase of the people that children always show their naughty nature in the society, in the house. Sometimes the children are also punished by their parents, and when children are punished, then they realize very unhappy. They realize that really their parents are very strict in the comparison to other parents. So like this, in that very society, there is also parent whose name is Mr. McDonald. He is father, and he has also children. So here Kezia realized that his father and mother is very cruel. His father and mother try to beat her, try to suppress her, try to punish her without any purpose. And when Kezia saw Mr. McDonald playing with his children, then here Kezia realized that McDonald is very kind to his children. So she imagined that her parents should also be like that. So that very type of imagination was continuously going on. One day, grandmother of Kezia reminded Kezia that your father's birthday is very near. So on the occasion of your father's birthday, you should provide him some gift. Then according to the suggestions getting by his grandmother, Kezia made a pinch pillow, and in that very pillow she put we can say that bits of papers and some different things. So for the purpose of filling that very pillow, she put the papers, making into different pieces. And actually the paper which was torn by this little girl, that was the useful documents, that was the useful paper of his father. So when his father came to know about his document, then after that he chided Kezia, and he also punished her. So with this situation, Kezia became very fearful, and she started to realize herself very down in the society, in her house. One day, her mother got some serious disease, and due to this, she was admitted in the hospital. And in the house, only Kezia was left, and her cook was in the house. So when Kezia went to sleep at night, and when she was sleeping, she saw a nightmare, and the nightmare was very dangerous. That was very fearful. So after watching the nightmare, in her sleeping situation, Kezia started to cry. And when Kezia opened her eyes, she saw that her father was standing beside her to support her, and her father took Kezia in her hand, and then after that her father also given her shelter, and they both took rest on a single bed. So here Kezia realized that really her father is not very cruel, but her father is very kind. Only there is a difference that she was not able to realize that when her father is kind to her. And it is also said that the children whose age is 10 years less, they always realize that their parents are cruel. But when that very children becomes more than 10 years old, then time to time they realize that really whatever restrictions was applied by their parents in her childhood, that was fruitful, that was essential, and due to those very restrictions, now their condition is good, now they are better than other students. Even children, they are guided by their parents that you have to do this very work, you have not to do this, to do that work, and some children try to neglect. So for this very purpose, they are beaten by their parents, they are punished by their parents. So this is the chapter which is related to the relationship between children and parents. And through this very chapter, author has given message that children always follow their parent, and if they will follow, then it is sure that success is not very far away from them, but success is very very near to them. So this is from my side for today. That's all. Thank you.